This one simple morning habit can change your life forever. In Japan, people are known for their long, healthy, and active lives. And one of their secrets is hidden in these 7 simple morning stretches. If you want a body that stays flexible, strong, and youthful even as you age, then start your day like this. Gentle wake-up stretch. Start by raising your arms above your head and taking deep breaths. This opens your lungs, improves oxygen flow, and wakes your entire body. Neck mobility stretch. Gently rotate your neck in slow circles. This releases stiffness and improves blood circulation to your brain. Shoulder roll stretch. Roll your shoulders forward and back. Japanese seniors do this daily to avoid frozen shoulders as they age. Spine flexibility stretch. Bend forward slowly, letting your arms hang. This decompresses your spine and reduces back pain. Hip opening stretch. Open and rotate your hips. This keeps your lower body youthful and prevents stiffness. Knee and leg stretch. Stretch your legs one by one. This supports joint health and improves balance. Full body twist. Twist gently from side to side. This activates your core and improves digestion. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure to set the bell icon on all so you never miss a new motivational video.